Maggie to the rescue!
Hey everybody! As promised in my Belle and Barbie restoration video, I'm going to do a show and tell on a huge haul of Barbie dolls I got at a local thrift store. They gave me a bag of Barbie clothes for $2, the whole bag. So I'm going to do 3 videos, one on one bag, another on another, and the third on the clothes. So let's look in bag number 1. I actually haven't really looked at these dolls since getting them and just choosing Belle and Barbie to do the restoration, so we're going to have fun together. Thank you, Maggie. So let's see what we have first. Okay, gorgeous. Look at this hair. Oh, I can't wait to do a restoration on this hair. That needs a lot of help. Let's see. So I think this is a Kira doll. I'll have to just double check on all the dolls actually. And if I'm remembering right, I think this dress is the peaches and cream dress. I don't know if this is showing up right. When I'm looking through my lens, it looks really orange, but it's actually a peach color. Very peachy. And this dress looks dirty, even moldy. Look at that. Can you see that mold? So I definitely will have to wash that. So she was made in Malaysia. So that gives us an idea. So that probably means that she was made from the 1990s forward, but I'm guessing this is a 90s doll. And she has the clicky bendable knees. So that's wonderful, gorgeous. So let's put her over here in her fancy dress and hair that will get restored at some point. Ooh. Oh, also, she's very dirty. I don't know if that stains or dirty, and I actually think I might have a brand new way to get stains off that I just sort of came up with myself, so I'm gonna have to try that with her. Again, Dindy. Let's see, does she have, yeah, twist and turn. And she looks like a Rockers doll, right? Isn't that what this is? With all her musical notes and instrument. Look at these earrings. Can you see them? Great face. It's kind of sticky dirty, so that'll be fun to try to clean up. And it looks like her hair has some kind of updo ponytail right in the center. Some more challenging hair, but that will be fun at some point. Have to wash her clothes and her hair and her body. What else? Wow, I forgot about this one. So how hot is he? So my husband is actually a surfer, so this looks like a surfer with his board shorts. So I'll have to show him this, he'll love it. Look at this hair. So I guess this is a surfer Ken. Again, I'll have to look that up. Made in Malaysia. Lots of cleaning and stain removal. What's next? Ooh, pretty. Look at that face. What a great sculpt of this face. No, I think this is a fashionista doll, I think. So she's a little bit more lightweight and she has the joints and the hands that move. Is this the artsy fashionista? And she's got her glasses. They're connected. So she has that more shiny kind of hair. That will be fun to restore. So her body's in better condition, but I'll have to do a little bit of work on her hair. There you go. Oh, sorry, Maggie. Let's get her here. What's next? Okay. Okay. Classic Barbie, her blue eyes. His hair looks crazy. And this is a sort of seafoam green dress. I'll have to look this dress up. I'm not sure what it is. It also looks very dirty, so I'll have to wash this. I like these sleeves. But it's very dirty in the front. I wonder if I can get that out. And his hair looks pretty damaged, but we'll see what I can do. Got to make a little more space here. Told you it was a haul. Oh, I see this bright red hair. We know who she is. This is the Little Mermaid, Ariel. Cute. So she's little. So I don't know. Let's see. Put her next to Barbie. See, she's small. I'm not. So I think, let's see how she's marked. She is marked Disney, China. So I'll have to look up which one she is. There were tons of Ariel dolls. That'll be fun. And I just peeked in, and I think one of the other dolls actually has her mermaid outfit. So let's look at that. Okay, last one. And yes. So, oh, she's also smaller. I think this is a skipper. Let's see. Yeah, Mattel, 1987. Let's get this off and see. So that's great. I assume this is hers. Let's see if it will fit. Yeah, I think so. And if it wasn't hers originally, then it's hers now. We'll have to get a little top for her too. A little skipper doll. Boy, is her hair crazy. That's going to be really fun. Curly and damaged. Look at these soft curls. Well, there we go. I think, oh gosh, one more. Goodness, just keeps on giving. Okay, let's put her there. Okay, Barbie. Got all this, Maggie. Let's see who we have next. So I think this is another fashionista. She's got her pink accessory and her earrings. She's cute. Look at that. Knocky knees. And the pre-made underpant. I'll try my kind of stain remover on this and see if that works. Well, that was fun. So be sure to tune back in for the second bag and for the bag of clothes and for restorations on each of the dolls in the future. Thanks, everybody. Bye.
Like and subscribe. Thank you.